I can't believe we're doing this. All right, so this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services. Today, I'm going to share with you how to get your credit professionally repaired for free and develop a little side hustle that maybe could turn into your main hustle, because it has for a lot of other people. No, I haven't lost my mind. No, I'm not giving away free credit repair to everyone that watches the video on YouTube. You actually have to do things to get free credit repair and the side hustle. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. Otherwise, you're going to miss the big bang and understand why this is the coolest offer ever. Okay, so let's get one thing out of the way. You can try to fix your credit yourself. Let's talk about that, because I know that's what's on your mind right now. You can try to fix your credit for yourself. A lot of people think about that. They come on to YouTube. They try to find these people that say, yes, fix it yourself, with all these different hacks, all kinds of credit hacks, this hack, that hack, the other hack. But the problem with hacks is that they only work depending upon your situation, and they take a lot of your time. Everyone's situation is different. The hack that works for that person isn't going to work for you, or the hack that works for you isn't going to work for me. So that's the problem with this one-size-fits-all approach of, hey, I can show you how to fix your own credit. It just doesn't work that way. And like I say, it takes a lot of time. So if you're like me, you don't like to do things that you're not good at. You don't like to do things that take a lot of your time and take away time from what you are good at, right? So to me, if you do things that you're not good at, and you spend a lot of time trying to learn it and trying to do it, and it takes a lot of your time away from what you are good at, maybe your job, your kids, whatever, it's like stepping over dollars to get to dimes. So think about that. Step over $1 to get to a dime? Not a good move right there. It's kind of like changing your own oil, cutting your own hair, doing your own yard work. And of course, if you enjoy doing yard work, then do your yard work. If you like having lawnmowers and trimmers and blowers and all that stuff and going out and spending hours on a weekend to do your own lawn, then do that. But if you don't enjoy it, you don't want to spend the money on all that equipment, find somebody else to do it for you and spend your time doing what you are most best at. I know my time is worth way more than buying everything I need, learning how to do it, and then going out to doing it. Another example of this, I'll tell you a story. I lived in California for a long time. I live in Largo, Florida now. But in California, I was driving my little Mitsubishi Spider, cool little California car, and I didn't have a front license plate. Well, in California, you're supposed to have 2 license plates. Here in Florida, they don't care. You just have the back license plate, no front license plate. It's all good. In fact, they only give you 1 plate here in Florida. But in California, you got to have both. I didn't have both. I got pulled over. I got a ticket. It was like ridiculous. It was like $500 for this ticket. And I'm like, I don't want to pay $500 because I didn't have a license plate on the front of my car. So I found this lawyer, and I paid him $100. He went to court for me. I didn't even have to go to court, and he got the whole thing dismissed. See, to me, that's a lot smarter. So if you want to learn how and take the time to repair your own credit, then this really ain't for you. However, if you want to get it done by a professional company with 14 years of experience and hundreds of thousands satisfied customers, you want to get it for free, and maybe a side hustle is something you want or need, then this is for you. Okay, so let me share very quickly who we are. First of all, we work on 100% of your credit score and not just removing negative items. So what do I mean by that? Well, removing negative items is great, unless you don't have enough positive items to help really increase your credit score. You've got to work on both in most cases. So we work on 100% of your credit score, not just removing negative items, which is about your payment history, which is only 35% of your credit score. That's what most companies do. They just do credit repair, remove some negative items, call it a day, and help you increase your credit score a little bit. That's fine. We work on 100%. We're going to work on 100% of your credit score to get you the highest credit score we possibly can and help you build some positive credit too, because that's one of the main reasons why even though people get negative items removed from their credit report, their credit score doesn't go up that much because they don't have enough positive credit. We're going to help you do that. The other thing to know about us is we address every negative item that you have immediately. We are going to address the negative items. We are going to do it aggressively. We are going to do it right away. And a lot of companies don't. Now, you can maybe guess why companies don't do that. It's because they want to charge you more monthly fees and make more money from you. And so instead of getting your credit fixed in 6 months, it's going to take you a year, year and a half, or 2 years. They're perfectly happy with that. I bet you're not. Here's how they do it. They address 1 or 2 items in the first 60 days, and then 1 or 2 more items in the next 60 days, and then 1 or 2 more items in the next 60 days. I mean, it's crazy. If you got, I don't know, 6 items, you got 16 items, you got 60 items, it doesn't matter. We're going to go after it all right away. We're going to get you that highest credit score we possibly can as quickly as we possibly can. We're just truly best at what, let me say that again. We are just truly best at what we do. And I'm going to put a link to a video below and a link to our website so you can check all this out. I'm not going to go into tons of details on that. I want to talk about how you get this for free. So how do you get this offer? How do you get this credit restoration for free? First of all, let me ask you a question. Do you know other people that need credit repair? Maybe you know some other folks. Or are you willing to learn a little bit about talking to people in real estate or the mortgage business or the solar business or the automobile business? And if you are willing to do that and you don't know people right away, then you can go out and find those people, because those folks in real estate and mortgage and solar, they have people that have less than perfect credit that can't qualify to do business with them every single day. So they would be willing to refer those people over to you, and more than just one, oh, by the way. So if the answer is yes to either of those things, we're good so far. Second, you're going to become a customer and also an affiliate agent with us. You're going to be able to sell our services to help other people fix their credit. So a side note here, you're not going to be fixing credit. We're not going to give you those reins just yet. We have experts, trained people that do that. You're just going to be out finding people, explaining the services to them, enrolling them into our program, and then moving on to the next person and letting our staff, our crack expert staff, do the credit repair work. So fair enough, pretty simple job. You're just going to find people, explain services, and enroll them into the program. You got me so far? Okay. Next, as soon as you become an affiliate, you're in credit repair. Your services kick in. So it starts. You're going to be able to monitor everything that the staff is doing for you to help you increase your credit score. You're going to be able to call people in our office every day if you want to talk about your account. So you are in that process. So you're probably thinking right now, what's the catch? So of course there is a catch. We're not going to give away credit repair for free. I told you that. But see, this is how it works. You pay $288 to get started with us, $288, and then it's $89 a month to become an affiliate. Now hold on. I'm telling you what the catch is, but I'm telling you how to overcome the catch too. So you pay $288 to get started, and then it's $89 a month to be an affiliate. And you're starting to talk to people, you're starting to get your credit repaired, you're starting to utilize our other services to help increase your credit score, all of that. Now here's the key. For every client that you bring us, you earn $100. For every client that you talk to, explain the services, enroll in our program, you earn $100. And you start to earn monthly residual income too, but I'm not going to confuse the situation. I want to keep it very, very basic. You'll learn more if you want to watch the video. So you get $100 per client. Now let's say you get one new client a month. That more than pays your $89 a month. doesn't it? So you're good to go there. If you get one client a month for 7 months, you've earned $700. So now you've paid yourself back the $288 plus any of those monthly fees. And here's the kicker. Your monthly fee stops when you have 5 active clients. So theoretically, you could just pay the $288, and if you got your hustle on, you go out and get those 5 clients in 30 days, and now you're going to earn $212 in your first month, get all your services for free, and never pay any $89 a month free, because that goes away once you have 5 people. So that's free credit repair, but what about the side hustle? Well, you're working it. Your side hustle is to get credit repair clients and get paid $100 per client. You're already doing that, and then you're building your monthly residual income that, yes, over time, and you'll learn about it, can become quite lucrative. So let me hit you with a couple of did you knows right now, and we're going to talk about that side hustle. So did you know, number one, that 37% of the workforce in this country today has or is looking for a side hustle? That's almost 4 out of every 10 people that work in our country today have or are looking for a side hustle. And their side hustle, they just want to earn between $500 and $1,000 a month. Well, what I'm sharing with you is a great side hustle. Let me explain. It takes about a half an hour to talk to a client about our services and enroll them for the services. So let's say 5 people, that's 2.5 hours, and you earn $500. That's $200 an hour of your time. Think of another side hustle where you can get $200 an hour. Go drive Uber. They don't make $200 an hour. So now you can see why this is not just a side hustle, but a main hustle for a lot of people. Okay, did you know number 2? So here's did you know number 2. The number one reason why people have poor credit score is because they're just making it every month. So when they have an unexpected expense, like they have to go to urgent care, or the car breaks down, or the refrigerator breaks, they have to let some other bills go unpaid, and then oops, ding on their credit. So you can get your credit repaired for free and develop a very lucrative side hustle. That's why I can't believe we're putting this out on YouTube. Okay, so if you want to know more, a video link will be below on the services we offer and the affiliate program. There's going to be a link below for our website where you can go and book a phone appointment with me. That's so key, right? Book a phone appointment with me. Let's get on the phone. Watch the video first. Go to the website, watch the video first. You can actually watch the video on YouTube if you like, but go to the website, check out all the information about this side hustle, about our affiliate program, and then if you like what you see, you might have some questions. That's why you're going to get on the phone with me. You'll see a tab that says book a phone appointment. You can pick a day and time that works for you, that fits into my schedule, and we're good. No trading phone calls and all of that stuff. So book a phone appointment. We'll get on and we'll talk about it. So let's see if this makes sense for you. Now, maybe you'll decide it doesn't, and you just, will decide you want to become a client. That's okay. By the way, for a client, instead of $288 and $89 a month, it's $188 and $89 a month, and you don't have the opportunity to then go ahead and get your services for free or make any money. So that's why it makes sense to become that affiliate, but it's entirely up to you. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about credit or the credit repair business, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified of our new videos. So thanks for joining me today. I appreciate your time. Pass this info on, share the video, and if you like, let's hook up on social media. Those links will be below as well. Have yourself a great rest of your day. Take good care.